Hello, year five, and welcome to Friday. I don't know about you, but that has felt like an exceptionally long this week. Well done to everybody who has managed to get onto Teams as well. I've spoken with a few of you, and it sounds as though Teams is working really well in terms of cutting out the middleman and you guys getting that direct feedback as well. So that's brilliant. The emails will still be open for any questions because I'm aware there's not so much like a chat function on there. So if you do have any questions or any feedback about it, please do feel free to email. Just the chances are it's going to be checked a little less frequently, but we should still be able to get back to you within 24 hours of you sending an email. So what do we have in store for you today, year five? We are going to start off with morning fluency as always, then move on to SPAG, where we are looking at some of the words from the year five and six spelling list. English, where you are writing your resolutions. Maths, where we've got something slightly different for you today. Read theory. Then this afternoon, you've got PSHE with Miss Shembri and PE, a yoga session with Miss Crown. So hopefully you guys know the drill by now. Do take notes on, show your workings with these as well, because if you get any of them wrong and you're not sure where you've gone wrong, if you send me your jottings, then I can give you a bit more structured feedback than just saying where I think you might have gone wrong. So here are your questions. They are, of course, all on the quiz as well. Have a little go at them, and when you are ready or when you've done the quiz, come back to me and I will go through 4 questions and your challenge. Okay, let's have a look and see. So -4, add 15. I thought that we would have a go with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my own number line. So -4 is what I would start with. So I've got to add 15 to it. So I'm counting up 15. So -3, -2, -1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just put in a few. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so we're not going to go beyond 15 because we know that 0 add 15 is 15 and -4 is smaller than 0. So if I start at -4, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So my answer is 11. Obviously, normally with a number line, it would be a bit neater than that, but with times like this, we make do with what we have in front of us. So that gives us 11. 510 times 100. I know that when we multiply by 100, it appears that there are 2 zeros added onto the end of the number. So that's 51,000. 6,143. Take away 3,412. Okay, 3 take away 2 is 1. 4 take away 1 is 3. Now we enter the fun part because we can't do 1 take away 4, which means that we need to borrow. It's a funny looking 5. 11 take away 7. 11 take away 4 is 7, and 5 take away 3 is 2. So we should end up with 2,731. And then finally, I can look at this sum and straight away I should know that there will be remainders because I'm dividing by 5, yet the number does not end in 0 or 5. So let's have a little look and see. 5 goes into 9 once with 4 left over. 5 goes into 47 9 times with 2 left over. 5 goes into 28 5 times with 3 left over. And 5 goes into 31 6 times with 1 left over. So I should end up with 1,956 remainder 1. As for our other tasks. So compare the numbers 3,014,304 and 3,403,413, writing your answers in digits using either the greater than, less than, or equal to sign. So let me write those numbers out first. So 3,014,304. There's one of our numbers. 3,403,000. Sorry, I forgot the commas. 413. Now, if I put them on top of each other, because that's sometimes an easier way of doing it, the millions is the same, so I go to the 100,000s. The 100,000s is not the same, so the one that has more 100,000s is 3,403,413, which means that that one must be the larger one. Well done, guys. You are working really, really hard at the moment. I know that it's not always easy to get it done in a home environment, and I know that what we are providing you at the moment, it's very different to what we would be doing in the classroom, which can make it tricky. But well done for persevering, everybody. All that we can ask is that you are trying your very hardest. And I know that all of you are doing that.